Hello everybody, this is GGCuber and welcome to 2 Minute Reviews Episode 1. This is the X-Men Galaxy Megaminx version 2 from the Chi Mofangi brand. It runs for about $19.95 on most American cube stores. Here is a size comparison between this puzzle and the Shingsha Megaminx, which is about 1 millimeter bigger, and the YJ Yuhu Megaminx, which is probably approximately 2 to 3 millimeters larger. This puzzle has a very buttery smooth feel. It is unlike anything I have ever felt before. It also has a tiny bit of crunchiness, but that is not that noticeable. This cube is very fast, but it's not too fast that it's uncontrollable, which makes it a lot easier to just spam turns, unlike anything like this YJ Yuhu, which is just way too slow. And the corner cutting on this is 45 degrees equivalent on a dodecahedron, which I guess would be 35 degrees, and the reverse is also great. Overall, I would regard this cube as the best Megaminx you can currently get on the market as of March 2018, and it just is such a good cube. I would recommend this to any cuber, new or advanced, just because it has a turning style that I feel would fit most anyone. I would rate this cube 5 out of 5 stars because it is just so amazing and it blows me away every time I turn it.